In this video, I'm going to show how to manage and control the CPU usage of your Citrix XenApp and XenDesktop servers by using purpose-built enterprise software. Whether hosting sessions or virtualizing applications, remote desktop servers share the same CPU with everyone on the server. Some applications aren't designed for a multi-user environment, or they have problems when virtualized. Companies take steps to minimize these risks by purchasing more servers, segmenting heavy use or priority users to their own separate servers, or limiting how many sessions or applications can be run per server. IT staff then has to spend more time managing these custom configurations, while their company spends even more money on hardware to support it. Some customers may take advantage of the higher versions of XenApp and XenDesktop that include CPU utilization services. This does help, but it doesn't throttle the CPU. No matter how fast the server hardware is, there's an upper limit on context switching and how much CPU bandwidth is available. Relevos manages the CPU of processes so a process cannot affect other users on the server. It simplifies managing servers and gives administrators the opportunity to configure their Citrix infrastructure to better match their business rather than being concerned about the CPU usage. In the end, users notice smoother and faster response times within applications. And isn't that the whole purpose anyway? To serve users the best way that we can? So how does Relevos accomplish smoother and faster user experiences? Well, Relevos uses patented technology to dynamically throttle process CPU usage. The result is a better user experience and more sessions per server. If your servers use the Citrix CPU utilization service, you can still continue to use it because it serves an entirely different function than Relevos' CPU throttling. And Relevos runs perfectly fine alongside it, making them the perfect duo to manage your server CPU. Let's go through a quick demonstration of the basic functionality of Relevos by setting up the console and CPU throttling. I'll start by clicking on the toolbar button Create a Group. I'll enter a name. Now I'll click on the Computers tab and press the Add Computers button. From here, I'll go ahead and add this server and 2 client servers. Okay, now that they're added, we can manage the servers directly from this console. Now I'll click on the CPU tab and then process throttling. Default is a conservative 33%. I'll turn it on and then change it to 20%. This means any user process can only use 20% of the CPU. To save the settings to each of the servers in the list, I'll put a check mark on each server, then press the Save icon. This saved the CPU throttling settings on each of the checked servers. You can click the Advanced option to allow specific processes to be throttled with their own maximum CPU usage. Relevos gives you more than just CPU throttling. It also includes dynamic priority control with Process IPC. Or you can set processes to start at certain priority level. Or you can even set which CPU cores a process will run on. Relevos also includes a memory optimization tool that will minimize the memory of processes if they go above a certain level and can be set to just notify you when any process exceeds a memory limit. In this demo, we've shown how easy it is to get up and running with Relevos. Its user interface is simple and there's nothing to maintain. The software runs in the background, and since it's centrally managed, settings are deployed to Relevos clients with just one click. Relevos is VMware certified, and it's Citrix ready for all versions of XenApp and XenDesktop. Now, how do you get started using this software? Well, that's easy too. Just visit our website at wmsoftware.com/Relevos to download a free evaluation license.